Hi, I'm Shannon. This is going to be a quick tutorial on the tricep and how to work the muscle group here. Whether you're at a gym or at home, grab some dumbbells and here we go. So you're always warmed up first, remember. So a warm-up is some light aerobic activity, whether it's riding a bike for 5 minutes, coming out of a fitness class maybe, or perhaps you just ran or you were just dancing to your favorite song. You want to warm up at least 5 minutes. It slowly increases the core body temperature, slowly prepares the body for additional activity, helps to reduce injury, okay? So warm up is very, very important. Even before you stretch, you warm up, okay? So for the tricep, okay, you have 3 heads on the tricep. So I'm going to instruct you to, you can have the palm in a basic position, which is palm in facing the body. You can have the palm forward, or you can have the palm back, okay? And you're gonna hit different heads of the tricep depending on the position that you're holding the weight in. You can also do kickbacks, you can go kick ups, you can do dips, and presses, okay, when you work tricep. So just a first exercise, let's just do a general tricep kickback, okay? So what you're gonna do is bend through the knees, or you might see people doing this on a bench, like supporting on a bench. So if you're at home, you can follow along perfectly well here. Soften through the knees, drive the elbows up. You're gonna exhale, kick back. Okay, now my palms are in, facing in. My elbows are behind the body line. I'm exhaling as I'm kicking back. This is a basic tricep extension or kickback. Now you can alternate the arms too, which gives you a nice little burn as well. So let's count them out. 10, 9, shoulder blades are down. 8, lengthen through the top of the head. 6, and 5. Here you go. There's 4 more. Squeeze it tight. 3, you got it. 2, and 1. Okay? Now, you can turn the palms forward, bend through the knees, angle yourself forward, and then press straight back like you're dragging your knee, knuckles along the floor, taking it back, straight up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. This is a good warm-up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come upright. Give yourself a little bit of a break. Shake it out. Stretch through the neck. Now turn the palms to the back. And then same thing. You're going to press back. Squeeze. Almost like you want to connect the weights behind your back. Exhale on that press. Again, driving the palm to the back wall. 10, 9, 8, 7. Notice my angle. I'm slightly leaning forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? So right about now, you should feel a nice little sensation through the back of your arm. That's your tricep. What we don't want waving when we wave our arm. So stretch that out. Pat yourself on the back. Grab hold of the elbow. Pull down and back. This is a great standard tricep stretch. And then, of course, you want to get the other side. Lift up, pat yourself on the back. Grab that elbow and gently pull down and back. Stretches out that tricep, okay? Generally, you want to hold your stretches about 10 seconds minimum. Okay, so now we're going to go with a little bit heavier weight, and I'm going to show you another position that you can do if you're lifting a heavier weight. So I'm going to grab my 8-pound dumbbells, okay? I'm going to go in a stagger step, okay? Now, you can, and when I teach my fitness classes, I usually do compound exercises with the ladies. They know that. You know, you get more bang for your buck, right? Okay? So if you drop down into a lunge position, notice that my knee is directly over my heel. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my shoulders square and pull my elbow up. Now I can go ahead and kick back. 2, 3, exhale on the way back. 4, my palm is facing in. 5, 6, there's 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? And then we're gonna switch to the opposite side and come down, support, row that elbow up, squeeze through the shoulder blades. You wanna keep your shoulders square to the floor, Okay, and I'm engaging my glute and hamstring now on my supporting leg, which is my right. And I'm kicking back 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, squeeze all the way back, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Okay, so that's if you're working with a little bit heavier weight to do a kickback that way. You can also kick overhead. So I still have my 8-pound dumbbell. You might have a 5 or a 3 or no weight at all. Or you might even be holding a soup can, which is perfectly fine. You can support the arm, and then you're gonna kick up. So I'm sort of coming back behind my head a little bit. I'm gonna turn to the side so you can sort of see my angle. Whatever you do, don't hit yourself in the noggin, okay? You wanna exhale on the way up. My knees are soft, my abs are pulled in tight. Exhaling on that reach up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And I'm gonna show you something. You can do this type of exercise too, sort of laying down on the floor, which we'll catch up on another segment. But while you're doing this exercise here, you can hold on to the supporting arm if you want, or you can help yourself. And if the weight's a little bit heavy, I don't want to say cheat, but support with the opposite arm helping you, okay? Or if you feel strong enough and you can keep that elbow above the shoulder, you can kick up just like this. And you're still feeling it right to the tricep, okay? Your knees are soft, abs are in, you're focused, core is tight. 3, 2, and 1, okay? And that's a tricep kick up, where we were doing a kick back, then you have the kick up, okay? Typically when you grab your weights, and say you're gonna do about 12 to 15 reps. So you wanna pick your weight appropriately so that when you hit like number 10, 11, into 12, 13, you know it's a greater challenge for you. So if you have a lighter weight and you're just sort of going at it, you can always double up your weights, crisscross them. They're a little bit hard to hold sometimes, especially if you have a wide handle, but you can do the same thing. Here's your row and kick back. Okay, so same thing with the bicep curls, same thing with the shoulder press. So I just took my 5-pound dumbbells and put them both in one hand, and voila, I went up in weight. And you can too, so keep it up. Good job.